naman sa Montalban kumpara noon. Ako po.
Tumami sa division nito. Good lang, dami.
Naman.
Nagdala ka, sir, wag dito.
Kasi, meron kang logo.
Pero kung may ice cream dito lang.
Okay na kahit na hindi na pwede na sila lalabas, pwede na.
How's it going? It's 10:33. That time check was brought to you by Whirlpool Energy Star Appliances. When it comes to durability and reliability, no brand has a better history than Whirlpool, the trusted appliance brand in the world, making your world a little easier. Whirlpool. For over 100 years, Appliances has considered what you truly need inside your house. From there, we have designed a range of products that'll make your life just a little easier. Whether it's a refrigerator, appliances, washers, and dryers, Whirlpool boasts of innovative features that are sophisticated and functional. And Whirlpool lets you enjoy the value of energy efficiency in every product. Enhance your life.
Ito marami ng open street dati. Pag pumunta ka rito, hindi ka ng iskinite.
The scientists that shout you improve fuel that
Dati
replaces
pumunta kami rito, wala pa itong mga island na to.
Shell V-Power Nitro Plus gasoline actively helps to
Mga
clean
halaman
engines
dyan,
to restore
diretso yan.
performance.
Medyo
Head to the nearest Shell
magaspang
station
pa yung
and try
pagkakasemento.
Shell V-Power Nitro Plus gasoline today.
Tingnan banda sa San Jose,